to you about the effectiveness of acupuncture on weight reduction for simple obesity in adults. Let me tell you some things about, as an abstract. First of all, the objective is simple obesity. What do we mean by simple obesity? We mean that is the kind of obesity that doesn't come as a second consequence, as a secondary consequence for another medical issue, let's say the metabolic disorders. Also, about the objective, we are interested in acupuncture, only 3 kinds of acupuncture. That is the classic acupuncture, the acupuncture that is auricular acupuncture, and the electroacupuncture. About the methods, we search on 3 databases. We search on PubMed, in TRIP database, and in Google Scholar. And as for the results, we added in 4 RCTs with 204 participants, 203 participants, 102 were in the Verum group, the intervention group, and 101 were in the placebo group, the SAM group. And the conclusion we got from this systematic review is that acupuncture is very much effective, and it is very much effective. Let me tell you some things about the Western medicine perspective of obesity. WHO, the World Health Organization, the definition it says about obesity is that it is excessive fat accumulation that causes a high risk health. And about the causes of the obesity, we can imagine that it is malnutrition, let's say high dense food we consume. It is the way of transportation, because we used to go on earlier decades, we used to go on foot much more than nowadays. The kind of work we are doing which lacks of where it lacks of exercise, and it's more sedentary, and the urbanization. And the risk for all this obesity, simple obesity or overweight, of course, we can understand all of us. It is known cardiovascular, certain types of cancer, diabetes, infertility, menstrual issues, and so on. About the traditional Chinese medicine, let me, it doesn't matter. Here, about the traditional Chinese medicine perspective of obesity, it is, as in all disorders, it is an imbalance of yin and yang. And according to the inner canon of Huangzi, it is a spleen and kidney deficiency and liver depression with heat, phlegm, dampness, and blood stasis as manifestations. The last decades being acupuncture being one of the main branches of TCM, becomes very popular in dealing with this epidemic. Yes, I forgot to tell you that WHO determines obesity as an epidemic. And dealing this epidemic with acupuncture, and they're considering very much often as an alternative medicine, complementary alternative medicine. So how do we assess the obesity? We assess it with BMI. In this systematic review, we chose to assess it with BMI, because it is the most popular assessment for the obesity. So we can find common index in all the RCTs that we have chosen. And how is calculated BMI? It divides the the weight of an adult by the weight of an adult in kilograms by the height of an adult in meters square. The classification